Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore the fascinating intersection of art and technology. As technology evolves, it reshapes how artists create and how audiences engage with art. This relationship has birthed new forms of expression and changed traditional practices. We'll look at various mediums, from digital art to virtual reality, and examine their cultural implications. Let's dive into how this intersection is influencing both artists and audiences. Historically, technology has always influenced art. The invention of the camera in the 19th century challenged traditional painting. Artists like Picasso experimented with collage, merging different mediums. Fast forward to the late 20th century, the rise of computers introduced new possibilities. Digital tools have democratized art making, allowing more voices to emerge. This shift has led to the rise of digital art forms, including GIFs and memes. Artists now use software like Photoshop and Illustrator for their creations. Technology has also influenced the way art is shared and consumed. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have become new galleries. This accessibility challenges the traditional art market. Digital art encompasses a variety of forms: graphic design, 3D modeling, and digital painting. Artists like Beeple and his NFT works have made headlines, merging digital art with blockchain technology. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have created new revenue streams for artists, but also sparked debates about ownership. Another exciting medium is generative art, where algorithms create unique pieces. Artists such as Casey Reas have explored this intersection, blending creativity with coding. Digital installations often combine video, sound, and interactive elements. These works invite viewers to engage rather than passively observe. Virtual galleries, like those in Decentraland, offer immersive experiences. Digital art has the power to reach global audiences instantly. It's reshaping our understanding of what art can be. Virtual reality, or VR, has opened new frontiers for artistic expression. Artists can create fully immersive environments, allowing audiences to explore and interact. Works like The Night Cafe recreate classic paintings in three-dimensional spaces. VR art installations challenge the boundaries of perception and reality. Artists can guide viewers through narratives that engage multiple senses. This technology blurs the line between creator and audience, fostering collaboration. VR can also serve therapeutic purposes, aiding in mental health through immersive experiences. The accessibility of VR is increasing, with more artists experimenting with this medium. This invites discussions about the future of storytelling in art. What happens when art becomes a shared participatory experience? Artificial intelligence is transforming the creative landscape. AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney generate visual art from textual descriptions. This raises questions about authorship. Who is the artist, the programmer, or the AI? Artists like Refik Anadol use AI to create stunning data-driven installations. AI can analyze and learn from vast amounts of art history, providing inspiration. However, reliance on AI prompts debates on originality and creativity. The potential for AI to augment human creativity is both exciting and concerning. We must consider ethical implications, including bias in AI-generated works. As artists embrace AI, we might redefine what it means to be creative. The dialogue between human and machine continues to evolve. The intersection of art and technology reflects cultural shifts and societal changes. Technology democratizes art, allowing diverse voices and perspectives. Digital platforms enable underrepresented artists to gain visibility and connect globally. However, access to technology remains unequal, creating new disparities. The art world must grapple with issues of privilege and representation. Additionally, the rapid pace of technological change can outstrip cultural understanding. Artists often become cultural commentators, critiquing technology's role in society. Works that address themes of surveillance, identity, and technology challenge audiences. As we navigate this landscape, the role of the artist as a storyteller becomes crucial. Art can serve as a mirror, reflecting our relationship with technology. The intersection of art and technology is a dynamic and evolving space. It opens up new possibilities for creativity and engagement. As artists continue to experiment, we must remain critical of the implications. This dialogue between art and technology will shape the future of both fields. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our discussion.